Welcome to Kevin's Home Show. This is the show where we educate people about the real estate and mortgage industry. Today we're going to talk about the fees that are part of every mortgage transaction, what they mean, and the approximate cost of each. One of the things you need to consider when obtaining a loan is the total fees of the loan. Some companies put junk fees into the loan for extra profit to the company. The total fee should be a small percentage of the loan amount. These are normal fees paid by the borrower unless the seller has agreed to pay a percentage of the closing costs on a purchase. Here's a list of the standard fees on every loan and an explanation of each. Appraisal. This is an independent third party to the transaction whose job it is to give an opinion of the property's value based on recent comparable sales in the last 6 months, usually within a mile of the property. Every lender requires a current appraisal. The normal fee is about $400 to $425 depending upon the area of the country. Appraisers are paid up front in the loan process. Closing fee. The escrow officer puts together the settlement statement, or HUD-1, to make sure the final numbers are accurate and the loan paperwork is correct. This is usually about $350. There may be an additional small fee if a notary comes to your home or office to close the loan. Credit report. Every lender requires a recent credit report that they pull in their name. This fee is between $25 to $50 depending upon if there's 1 or 2 borrowers on the loan. Flood certification. Lenders want to know for properties in a flood zone. They purchase a flood certification for about $10 to find this out. If a home is in a flood zone, then flood insurance is required, which is paid by the borrower. It's rare to find a home in a flood zone. Impounds, which are your hazard insurance, property tax. For people who want an escrow account in their mortgage, which is very convenient, this is collected at closing. Depending upon the time of the year and what the taxes and insurance are due will determine how much is collected. Loan discount. Sometimes people want to buy down the rate, which is 1 to 3% of the loan amount on a conventional loan. This is done when people are planning to stay in the home for 5 years or more and want a lower rate and payment. Prepaid interest. Interest is paid in arrears. That's why your first payment is 1 month after you close, starting on the first of that month. However, lenders require payment of interest from the day your loan funds through the end of the first month. The processing fee. Every loan has a loan processor. This person puts the file together for the underwriter to review. Processors verify deposits, employment, order the payoff on your current mortgage, work with your insurance agent to make sure you have the proper coverage, etc. The fee for this is about $600 on a first mortgage. Recording fee. Every note and deed of trust must be recorded with the county. The title company does this and the lender requires it before the loan funds. The fee is usually between $125 to $150 depending upon the county that you live in. Tax service. This is a fee that the lender charges to get accurate property tax information from the county. Normally it's about $75 to $80. Title report. This is a report that every lender requires on every loan. The title report ensures that there are no liens, judgments, and encumbrances on the property prior to the new lien being recorded. That is, the old liens are paid off prior to the new lien being recorded, and clear title is given to the new owner and lender. The cost is based upon the loan amount. Underwriting. The underwriter is the one who reviews the loan package and appraisal to make sure it meets their guidelines and determines whether to approve your loan or not. The fee for this is usually between $600 to $700 on the first mortgage. Well, there you have it. That's a brief overview of all the fees that are a part of a loan transaction. Thanks for watching. If you have any real estate or mortgage questions, please feel free to contact me. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.